Okay, so welcome to another video. My name is Sparkman and I'm a game developer slash animator. Today I want to show you the new updates for iClone 7. Okay, so while we are on the subject, Black Friday is coming up and they have specials. Don't miss the early bird special for the new headshot plugin. Yeah, the plugin is freaking amazing. It lets you generate 3D characters using pictures. Basically, take a picture of yourself and create a 3D model based on your head. Cartoon Animator 4, iClone 7, and Crazy Talk Animator 8, Emotion Life. There's been a couple of updates for iClone 7, and we are interested in the new updates. And I guess one of the highlights will be the new digital human shader. And I'm expecting this to run slow, but it's not. Actually, it's running pretty good. I'm surprised this thing is even running and recording at the same time. So let me just zoom in, and this is the new digital human shader, and as you can see, it makes things look a lot more real. Now, if you think this looks pretty realistic, wait until we light this up. Alright, so let me just throw some light at this. Okay, you will see the new surface scattering, and look how real this looks. This looks crazy. This looks like just a little bit above PlayStation 4. If you want to impress your boss or anyone really, you can simply get iClone 7. Okay, so if you can't hear anything, that's because your sound is down.
Hi there! You've just seen the latest iClone 7 facial animation technology. In this new version, we've improved the association between muscles and facial features, giving you better morph details and making your animations more natural and lively. Now, let me show you some of the latest enhancements. First, I'm going to move my eyes around and notice my eyelids following the movement of my eyes. Now, I'm going to do more expressions. This is when I am happy. Haha! Yes! Ha 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 ha! This is when I am upset. Urgh. Urgh. And this is when I am scared. Huh? Oh no! Oh. Pretty cool stuff, right? Alright, now you give it a try.
Okay, so that's a pretty good demo there. So that's one of the new major updates, the new digital human shader. Looks pretty amazing if you ask me. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you this new update, and it looks pretty insane. If you want to make more characters like this, you can always use character creator, which allows you to create unlimited characters. Okay guys, don't forget to smack the like button down below and subscribe. Subscribe down below, guys. Yeah. Subscribe. Now smack the like button. Do it. Do it now. Did you do it? Did you smack the like button? Alright, good. Bye now.